Master animal names in English. Bird, bird. Warm-blooded flying animal. Birds can sing beautiful songs and fly high in the sky. Fish, fish. Cold-blooded water animal. Fish come in all shapes and sizes, swimming in rivers, oceans, and lakes. Insect, insect. Small invertebrate with 6 legs. Insects like butterflies, bees, and beetles are everywhere you look. Dog, dog. Loyal pet. Dogs come in many breeds and are known for their friendliness and trainability. Cat, cat. Independent pet. Cats are playful and curious animals that love to nap in sunbeams. Horse, horse. Large mammal for riding. Horses are strong and graceful animals used for riding, racing, and work. Elephant, elephant. Giant land animal. Elephants are the largest land animals with trunks, tusks, and wrinkled gray skin. Lion, lion. Powerful big cat. Lions are social cats with impressive manes, males, and are known as the king of the jungle. Tiger, tiger. Largest wild cat. Tigers, with their orange and black stripes, are solitary hunters found in Asia. Bear, bear. Large mammal with thick fur. Bears come in various species like grizzlies and pandas and hibernate in winter. Rabbit, rabbit. Small, furry animal with long ears. Rabbits hop around meadows and gardens, munching on plants. Deer, deer. Herbivore with antlers. Deer live in forests and grasslands, with males typically having antlers. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Australian hopping animal. Kangaroos are unique marsupials from Australia that hop on their strong legs and carry their young in a pouch. Giraffe, giraffe. Tallest land animal with a long neck. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, reaching leaves on high trees with their long necks. Fox, fox. Clever hunting animal. Foxes are sly and intelligent animals that hunt small prey at night. Squirrel, squirrel. Bushy-tailed tree climber. Squirrels are acrobatic rodents that gather nuts and seeds in trees. Crocodile, crocodile. Large aquatic reptile. Crocodiles are dangerous predators that lurk in water, waiting to ambush prey with their powerful jaws. Gorilla, gorilla. Largest primate. Gorillas are intelligent and strong primates that live in family groups. Koala, koala. Australian marsupial that eats eucalyptus. Koalas are adorable marsupials with fluffy ears that live in Australia and eat eucalyptus leaves. Sheep, sheep. Woolly herd animal. Sheep are raised for their wool and meat, and they graze in fields together. Pig, pig. Domesticated farm animal. Pigs are intelligent and social animals raised on farms for their meat. Snake, snake. Long, legless reptile. Snakes come in many varieties, some constricting prey and others using venom. They all shed their skin. Worm. Worm. Soft-bodied animal that lives in soil. Worms help to improve soil health as they wiggle underground. Lobster. Lobster. Shellfish with claws. Lobsters are tasty sea creatures with a hard shell and 2 large claws. Snail. Snail. Slow-moving mollusk with a shell. Snails carry their homes on their backs and move slowly, eating plants. Lizard. Lizard. Scaled reptile with legs. Lizards are a diverse group of reptiles found in many habitats, with scales, legs, and often a long tail. Scorpion. Scorpion. Stinging arachnid. Scorpions are feared for their venomous sting and have 8 legs, pincers, and a tail stinger. Turtle. Turtle. Reptile with a protective shell. Turtles can withdraw into their hard shell for protection. They live in water and on land. Frog. Frog. Amphibian that lives on land and in water. Frogs can jump long distances and croak loudly, living in both water and on land. Panda. Panda. Bear-like mammal that eats bamboo. Pandas are endangered animals native to China with black and white fur that mainly eat bamboo. Camel. Camel. Humped mammal for desert life. Camels can survive in the desert for a long time because they store water in their humps. Cow. Cow. Large farm animal. Cows provide milk and meat, and they graze in fields as social animals. Wolf. Wolf. Wild dog that hunts in packs. Wolves are social animals that live and hunt together in packs. Jaguar. Jaguar. Powerful big cat from America. Jaguars are the largest big cats in the Americas, known for their spotted coats. Leopard. Leopard. Spotted big cat with climbing skills. Leopards are agile climbers found in Africa and Asia with beautiful spotted coats. Monkey. Monkey. Tree-dwelling primate. Monkeys are intelligent primates that come in many species, some swinging through trees and living in social groups. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Closest relative to humans. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates, our closest living relatives, known for their use of tools. Rat. Rat. Long-tailed rodent. Rats can be pests, but some are kept as pets. They are intelligent rodents with long tails.
Beaver. Beaver. Semi-aquatic rodent that builds dams. Beavers are amazing builders. These large semi-aquatic rodents create dams and lodges. Mouse. Mouse. Small rodent. Mice are common household pests, but also important prey for many animals. They are small rodents with long tails. Hamster. Hamster. Small pet rodent. Hamsters are popular small pets known for storing food in their cheeks and being active at night. Weasel, weasel. Small, elongated carnivorous mammal. Weasels are small, elongated hunters with sharp teeth and claws preying on small animals. Ferret, ferret. Long, playful domesticated mammal. Ferrets are long, slender domesticated mammals related to weasels, known for their playful personalities. Sloth, sloth. Slow-moving mammal that hangs upside down. Sloths are slow-moving mammals that hang upside down in trees, perfectly adapted for a life among the leaves. Polar bear, polar bear. Largest land predator that lives in the Arctic. Polar bears are the largest land predators, perfectly adapted for hunting in the cold Arctic with their thick white fur. Bat, bat. Flying mammal with wings. The only flying mammal, bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark and eat insects or drink nectar. Raccoon, raccoon. Masked mammal known for intelligence. Raccoons are intelligent mammals with a distinctive mask around their eyes. They are known for their mischievous behavior. Donkey, donkey. Domesticated herbivore used for riding and carrying loads. Donkeys are domesticated herbivores with long ears, used for riding and carrying loads. Goat, goat. Agile herbivore with horns. Goats are domesticated herbivores known for their climbing ability and agility. Guinea pig, guinea pig. Small social rodent kept as a pet. Guinea pigs are small, social rodents kept as pets, with a gentle and curious nature.
Thank you for watching.